everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold comes to us all the way from my good friends at Image in Australia. This is a really successful fundraising piece for client Sydney Taronga Zoo, and this is a fundraiser to support a breeding program for the endangered sun bear. And this is so clever on many levels, and it was actually so successful that they had to do a second wave of it that was much bigger. So really neat. So I want to dive right in because I'm going to take this apart in a minute. But the front has kind of a cage appearance. It's got a die cut, and you can see the face of the bear looking at you through there. So they're making that connection. And it says, homeless, hunted, nearly driven to extinction. Let's build a brighter future for the sun bear. So there's a little tab to pull right here. Okay, and when you pull, it only takes like a gentle tug, but it's got kind of a neat little bit of resistance when you're pulling it. And then out comes this accordion. So it's a long accordion, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 panels that come out. Now it's still attached to the pocket. See how that tab now is a circle? There's a circle there that you can see. So that was basically this panel like this. I'm gonna fold it down this way and not stick it in so that you can see here that this is all one piece, which I'll take apart in a minute. But on the back side, it's got this big image of the bear. On the front, it's got all sorts of information about the sun bear. But as you can see here, this folds down, okay, folds down. And then this can tuck right back in. And that's how it works together as a piece. But now I'm just gonna tuck it back in for you so you can see how it works. So I pulled it out. Okay, but it's still attached. So I'm going to take one apart because they were kind enough to give me an extra, and I think it's important to see how this works. These were die cut. This is, by the way, about 80-pound text. It's just a little heavier than an 80-pound silk coated sheet, but this is what it looks like. So that's one side there. You can see the cover and back cover. You can see the circle here where the tab is, and you can see how this folds down. This last panel is longer. These 4 panels are shorter so that they're not within that tab area. See how that works? This panel's a little longer so that it shows up in that little half circle tab area. And so they basically accordion folded down, die cut, accordion fold, and then this was plow folded and glued in the last step in their Melbourne facility. So brilliant. They did 1,500 of these in the first run. It was so successful that 4 weeks later they did 17,000 more. So totally brilliant. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Accordion with self pocket. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, downloads, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.